Hello, friends. Welcome back to Slow and Steady English. You are doing a great job by practicing English every day. Even listening to one short story helps your speaking become stronger and more confident, step by step. Keep going. You are improving. Today we will watch a simple and useful family story about Leo and his phone. Leo likes watching videos and playing games, but something happens when he uses his phone for too long. Listen carefully and try to answer these questions. Why did Leo's eyes start hurting? Where did Leo go after taking a break from his phone? Watch carefully and enjoy the story. Let's begin.
Leo, good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
What are you doing?
I am watching videos on my phone.
Again?
Yes, they are very funny.
How long have you been using your phone?
Only a little time.
Leo, you started 1 hour ago.
Oh,
Leo, please keep your phone away during breakfast.
but Dad, I want to finish my game.
Breakfast time is family time.
Just 2 minutes, please.
Leo, listen to your father.
Okay.
Thank you, Leo. Leo, your eyes are very close to the phone.
Yes, I am reading something.
Your eyes will hurt.
No, they are fine.
Too much phone time is not good for your eyes.
Really?
Yes, my eyes hurt when I use my phone too much.
Mom,
Yes, Leo?
my eyes feel tired.
Did you use your phone again?
Yes,
For how long?
maybe a long time.
I told you, Leo.
My eyes hurt a little.
Leo, phones are useful, but too much phone time is not healthy.
Why not?
Because your eyes need rest. Your brain needs rest. Your body needs movement.
Movement.
Yes, you must walk, run, and play outside. When your eyes hurt, what should you do?
Take a break?
Very good. And what else?
Stop using the phone?
Exactly.
You can also look outside the window. It helps your eyes relax.
Oh, that is easy.
Leo, let's go outside.
Outside?
Yes. Fresh air will help you feel better.
You can play in the park.
Can we take a ball?
Of course.
Dad, this is fun!
Yes. Playing outside is always fun.
My eyes feel better now.
See? Fresh air helps your body.
Hello, Arav. Hello, Leo. Let's play football. Yes!
This is better than phone time.
Did you enjoy the park?
Yes, Mom. was very fun.
Are your eyes okay now?
Yes, they feel much better. Dad, I understand now. Too much phone time is not good.
That's right. Phones are useful, but balance is important.
I will use my phone less now.
That makes me very happy.
What are you writing, Dad?
A family rule.
What rule?
No phone during meals, no phone before sleep, and play outside every day.
That is a good rule.
Leo learned something important today. Phones are useful, but too much phone time is not healthy. Rest your eyes, take breaks, and play outside every day. That is the best habit for a happy life.